I wish you all the best, and let us start with the practice.
ॐ त्र्यम्बकै यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Get ready for spinal twisting. Legs together. Now legs 2 feet apart. Raise your both arms up. Fold your hands at the elbow. Inhale, exhaling, twist to your right side. Inhale center, exhale left. Continue the practice with normal breathing. Gently slow down the practice. Come to center. Drop your hands. Come back to Sthiti Tadasana. Now relax in Shitala Tadasana. Observe the changes. Next practice, forward backward bending. Come to Sthiti Tadasana. Inhale, lift your both arms up, bend back, exhale, swing your arms, bend forward. Continue the practice at your own pace. Gently stop the practice. Come to Shitala Tadasana. Observe the changes in your body. Raise your both the arms in front of you, palms facing each other. Inhale, spread your arms sidewise, expand your chest. Exhale, bring your arms back to the center. Continue the practice of hands in and out breathing. Gently drop down your hands. Come to Shitala Tadasana. Observe the changes in your body. Come to Sthiti Tadasana. Interlock your fingers. Place your palms on the chest. Inhale, stretch your hands in front of you, 90 degrees. Exhale, bring back. Continue for a few more rounds. Second variation, 135 degrees. With inhalation, stretch your hands. Exhale, bring back on your chest. Continue for a few more rounds. Third variation, 180 degrees. Inhalation, stretch your hands up. With exhalation, hands back on your chest. Continue for a few more rounds. Stop the practice. Come to Shitala Tadasana. Observe the changes. Come to Sthiti Supine. Take your both arms up. Feet together. Now slowly bring your both arms down by the side of your legs. and fold your both the legs one by one to adopt Padmasana in lying down posture. Hold your big toes with your hands. Now take your both arms up, place your palms by the side of your head. Inhale, lift your upper body up to place the crown of your head on the ground, taking hand support. Now catch the big toes and place the elbows on the ground. Maintain this posture with normal breathing. Do not hold your breath. For coming out of the posture, take hand support and come to lying down and slowly unfold your legs one by one. Now gently take your both arms up to Sthiti supine posture. And gently take your arms by the side of your body to come in Shavasana. Keep your legs apart, palms facing the roof. Relax with normal breathing. Sulabh Matsyasana. For those who cannot practice Matsyasana, can leave their legs like this without making Padmasana and hold in final position with normal breathing. Sit comfortably. We'll go for Kapalbhati. Inhale. While exhaling, flap your abdomen in. Continue. Active exhalation, passive inhalation. 30 strokes per minute. Gently slow down the practice. Observe the movement of your breath. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture with Chin Mudra in both the hands. We'll go for abdominal breathing. Place your right palm on your abdomen. With inhalation, bulge your abdomen out. Exhalation, sink it back in. Continue this practice for a few more rounds. Gently stop the practice and observe the changes in your breath. We'll go for Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Adopt Chin Mudra in your left hand, Nasika Mudra in your right hand. Now close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale deeply through your left nostril. Close your left nostril and exhale slowly through your right nostril. Inhale through right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale through left. This makes one round of Nadi Shuddhi. Repeat for 2-3 more rounds. After completion of last round, stop the practice. Keep your palm comfortably on your knee. Observe your breath. Now we'll go for meditation on inner sun. Sit comfortably. Gently adopt Chin Mudra in both your hands. Imagine a big, white, bright sun in your chest region. Now observe that you're seeking energy from the sun in your chest region. Try to feel the heat and light expanding from your chest area. Now observe the white light which is expanding and covering your whole body within it. Enjoy the heat and energy. Observe the expansion of your consciousness and relax within yourself. Relax. Stop the practice.
Where we relax the whole body, we have the deep meditation which took us to the deeper realms of our subtle mind, the consciousness, and meditating on the sun brought lot of energy within us. And after that is our next step called as Sankalpa or resolve. Resolve is a positive thought structured into a small sentence of not more than 4 or 5 words. Say, I am very, very healthy and energetic. My immune system is very strong. I am very happy and blissful. Could be the type of the resolve that you can take. formulate that sentence yourself, and we repeat that sentence with full faith in that wonderful state of calmness, peace and bliss. So start with repeating that resolve in the mind with a full faith. First, second and the third rounds. Fourth, fifth and sixth rounds. Repeat that sentence with a full feeling of the energy, vitality and bliss. Seventh, eighth. The last round, ninth round, in which you will repeat that sentence with full faith and with a full feeling. Now after that resolve, we will pray for the welfare of all people to get health, happiness, bliss and grow continuously towards the highest state of perfection, of positive health and perfect health.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।